you guys? It's Jiya. Welcome back to my channel, and today, as you guys can see, I'm wearing nothing special. This is the random t-shirt I wear at home. My hairs are not nicely done. I have no makeup on my face, and yes, that's the real me. Well, and I just keep changing, camera location, but to be honest, it's just about the light. Like wherever I find good light, I just set up my camera and just start shooting it. Also, please ignore my background noise. It's just some construction work going out there and I can't help it. Sorry. So what we're gonna do today is that I'm gonna be an eagle. Just kidding, lol. So today I'm gonna be an e-girl. So when I thought about eagle, my mind just floods with the pictures like this and this and this and this and this. So if we talk about e-girl, firstly I just thought that e-girl might be a girl that spends most of her time on internet, but that's not true. So the eagle is a girl that can be found on TikTok and spends most of her time on Tumblr. Alright. Now if we talk about her makeup, she mostly wears pink coral eyeshadow with long lashes and very long eyeliner, little hearts under eyes, some heavily blushed pink nose and cheeks, pink lips. This is all about the makeup. Now let's just jump onto the hair. Her hair are mostly dyed in some rainbow colors. Well, I'm not gonna do this. And she has front bangs. Like I also had front bangs when I was in I think 7th grade. I just had bangs. They looked really cute, but then they just grew up and mixed with the other hairs, and now they just kind of don't show up. So never mind. Now let's jump into the outfit. Her outfit is mostly inspired from anime characters. Well, that's a good thing. And goth, rave, punk, K-pop, hip-hop, and there were several other topics I just don't remember. So yes, this is what we're gonna do today. It sounds a lot crazy, but I'm crazier. So yes, without further ado, here we go. Transforming myself into an e-girl. Alrighty, so hello everyone, it is the next day, and for today I'm wearing this outfit for my e-girl look. That is a black and white striped turtleneck and a t-shirt which spells best love. Also, I've changed my nail shape because I think these stiletto ones, sorry I just pronounced wrong, these stiletto ones would look much better than the coffin shaped nails with e-girl. Alright, this was all about the outfit. Now we just jump onto the hair. For the hair, they said dyed in rainbow colors. Well, there is a lot of gray area and dyed in rainbow colors. I hope you guys remember the dialogue. You'll let me know in the comment section. So, except dyeing them in rainbow colors, I'm just gonna go for space buns. So for that, I'm just parting my hair roughly from the middle, like this. I know my hair is kind of messy, but please ignore that. And then I'm just gonna take some hair out because I don't have any front bangs. So yeah, there we are. Okay, now let's just start doing Okay, here we are with our space buns all done. You guys can see these look super cute and I absolutely love them. I've never done space buns before, but these are super gorgeous. Okay, now let's just move on to the makeup. For the makeup, they said pink blush on nose and cheeks. Well, to be honest, I don't have any pink blush. I don't have blush because I don't like, blushing my cheeks. No. But for this look, it's important. So I'm just gonna use this lipstick. I don't know. It's, I think, 100 billion years old. It's my mother's lipstick and I think this is going to work because it's pinkish in shade and I hope it makes the perfect blush. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna just apply some lipstick on my hand like this and just place some in here and just rub everything until it starts looking pink. I don't know if this will really work, but I hope it does. And some, here, wherever we want the blush to be. Well, it smells really good. This lipstick smells really good. I've never smelled this thing before, but it smells really good. I think something's just happening. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I think it will. Oh my god, it looks like I've been punched on face. It's really crazy using lipstick as a blush. It's crazy. I think it is working. Okay, so I'm done with the blush and it hopefully worked. So you guys can see everything just turned pink. My nose is pink, my cheeks are pink, and I'm already feeling like an e-girl. So now let's just move on to the eyes. For the eyes, they said pink coral eyeshadow. I do have a pink eyeshadow, but I think using the lipstick again would really make a balance because of the same shade of pink. So what we're gonna do is just apply some lipstick and just rub on the eyes until it looks like an eyeshadow. I hope it works. Okay, so we're done with the eye look and I'm pretty happy with the color, but I just wanted to make more sparkly. So for this, I'm just going to apply more of eyeshadow on this lipstick eyeshadow. For this, I'm using my Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This palette is just amazing for making every eye look, and this is the special rose gold edition. Let's start applying the eyeshadow. I'm also gonna apply some under my eyes and some at the inner corners of my eyes to make the look even more gorgeous. See? Huge difference. So now it's the eyeliner's turn and let's just start applying the eyeliner. So we're done with the left side eyeliner. I know I look crazy with the eyeliner on the one eye and not on the other, but I can't help it. So I made this thing real long and real bold, and I know it looks pretty good on me and I think I'm gonna wear this every day. Okay, now we're done with both the eyeliners and now it's the turn for lashes. For lashes, I'm not going to apply any fake lashes because I don't have any. Okay, now I'm starting to look like an e-girl, you guys can see. So now here's the turn off. Yes, you guessed it right. Little hot So for this, I'm going to use my eyeliner to make little hearts, and I'm sorry guys, I can't do this on camera because it's really hard to do this. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna do this off camera. Alrighty, so yes, we're done with the hearts, and honestly it took me 100 billion hours to make hearts. Oh my goodness. Like, I just made this one in I guess 10 to 15 minutes, but this one, oh my god, this one was disaster. It took me approximately half an hour to perfect this one. I don't know what was happening. It wasn't just getting the shape of the heart. And I was like, oh my god, am I gonna do this on time? I wasn't thinking so. But yes, I just completed it and this looks super cute. I've become an e-girl. Oh, we forgot the most important part. Lips. So for the lips, I'm again going to apply the same lipstick, and this time to its right spot. That is lips. So let's do it. So I'm going to apply the same lipstick on my lips. Let's do this. I haven't applied that much. I've just applied a bit of it and just rubbed my lips like this. Because I don't want it to be really pink. Like, I'm looking so pink. Pink eyeshadow, pink lipstick, pink blush, pink, pink, pink. Oh my god, so much pink. It's just a pink empire. I'm getting crazy. Sorry. So, yes, this is the final look of an e-girl. I think it looks pretty good. Well, to be honest, I think I just titled this video wrong. It should be like doing the full face makeup with a single lipstick. Yeah, that is what we did today. So yes, this looks amazing. I loved the look. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, and if you're new to our family, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos on fashion and DIYs. So I'll be back with a new video very soon. Till then, stay happy and try your own e-girl look. Bye bye. Stay safe.